Downloading the Ceras app for Android users. First, you'll find the Google Play Store. Once you have found the Play Store, I want you to type in Ceras Empower. You will see a black and white bumblebee with a gray background. Click on that, and then I want you to click Install. You will need to wait patiently for the installation to complete. Once it is completed, the open box will turn green. And you can click Open. Follow the prompts along the way. Terms and conditions, you will need to agree and click Next. Choose your language preference, click Next. Choose your font size and click Confirm. You will be prompted to enter your telephone number or email to confirm. Here you can enter your telephone number or email, hit Submit. You will receive a verification code. When you do receive that verification code, you can tap on it and it will automatically populate into these boxes where you can click the Verify button. You will then be paired with your name. When you see your name, click Yes, It's Me. And then we will pair you with your service. When you see the service you are requesting, click Complete Enrollment. And now we will pair you with your device. When you see your device appear on the screen, click that device and activate Now. Now you'll need to go through the permissions. You will confirm, hit OK for Bluetooth, and allow, and then confirm, hit OK again. And now you're ready to use the app.